Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, September 21st. Hope you guys had a great weekend here. It's been pretty hot here in SoCal here. Just want to touch base. We got one economic news release scheduled for today, and that's the existing home sales for the month of August. So back in July, we had 5.58 million. It was supposed to taper slightly to 5.52 million for year-over-year sales, and it dropped quite a bit down to 5.31. So this is pretty disappointing as to existing home sales. That's a pretty big drop, 200,000 homes. Stock market's mixed now. After being up quite a bit earlier this morning, the Dow is actually up, over 170 this morning. Now it's pulled back in a lot of more negative territory. So it's really kind of took a big switch especially after the existing home sales numbers came out. There's also been a lot of comments out there from some of the Fed members since that are going on this week. Janet Yellen will be speaking later this week, so that could really move markets. But there's been some other ones. Comments basically saying that the rates for October could still be on the table, or even for 2015 in general. Some of them really kind of support a rate hike this year. So those are something to pay attention to, because we do have a October rate hike, but there's no scheduled announcement afterwards. So that's why they don't think it might be scheduled for October a rate hike, but maybe more December. But there are some members are saying that you can't discount October, that it could potentially happen in October as well. All right, so let's take a look at the bond market. Even the bond market's pulled back a bit. We're down about 22 basis points from where we left off on Friday, so therefore we have pricing is a bit worse from where we were left off on Friday. Now, as we mentioned, that 200-day moving average has been a very tough ceiling for us to break through. When we only broke through it for one day earlier, and that was pretty much an anomaly when we had that 1,100 point fluctuation in the Dow. And that lasted very much the next day. Every time we touched it, we've been pressured lower. So as you're seeing that, we touched it Friday. Now we're being pressured lower again. So be very cautious if you're in the loan process and trying to float your interest rate, because right now this is about what better pricing we've been seeing lately. Unless we could break above it, but that's been very difficult of late so far. All right, folks, so interest rates are a little bit higher today compared to Friday, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We do got some economic news release scheduled for this week. Again, a lot of it will be Fed members speaking. We do have some housing sales or housing data this week as well. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.